Hello guys, good morning. Today we are watching BTC USDT chart, 1 hour chart. It's showing some bullish pattern here. You can see today it's 1 hour chart. Today BTC price is 61,927 right now, and start in this after a big long red candle, then start on green candle, and it's continuously following. Right now it's going to touch 62,000. So today crypto market is looking little bullish, like BTC is following to the 62,000 level. It may touch today 63,000 probably. Overall in this month, in last month September, I mean it's there are lot of red candle, I mean bearish, that was bearish sentiment there. So hopefully at the beginning of this month October, crypto market will become bullish maybe. So let's wait and see. I'm just watching to the BTC chart because it's the beginning of October. So after a long time, BTC is showing little bullish pattern, because you can see here in the September BTC almost go down to 59,000, almost 60,000. So then little bit down from here. You can see at the 60,000 level it come down, then it touch 61,000, then again little bit down, it slowly go up to the 61,800. Then in the end of September it's go down almost 62,000 to go up there, little bit go up 62,400 something, and now it's at the level of 61,900. This morning we have seen BTC already touched 62,000 something, but right now it's doing a little bearish, but this 1 hour chart it's looking good. Bullish candle is going to make bit. So whoever want to trade, place a trade here, I think it's a good candle to place a trade. So let's make it. I think from here it will go up all the way to 62,500 almost. Maybe there is a little consolidation, up, down, up. And you can see the volume here at 1 October. There will be red candle, you can see here. let's go down all the way, go down from here, 64,000 to all the way to 60,000. It's very sorry, previously I talked about September, but it's 1 hour chart. I thought it's 1 day chart. So by the way, this is the start of October. I mean at the end of September, you can see the 30 September, it's almost there, 63,000. Then at the beginning of October, it's all the way go down to 50,000. Then ups down there, it's go a little bit high, 62,000. And right now it's here 61,942. So hopefully this one BTC will pump little bit. So as we know, BTC all-time high is 73,000 something. Maybe this one it will make another big high. So this is the support level here at 60,000. Let's check out 1 day chart. So finally, let's see the 1 day chart here. It's October 4. There is one very good bullish candle after this heavy downward. It's from 66,000 to all the way to 60,000. Then it consolidates some 2 days. Then it is the 62,000 something, 900, almost every 63,000. But today it's going to create 1 day. In this 1 day chart, there is going to create a red candle. By the way, there is ups down. This is making a good thing doing some go down, but at the you can see here 5 August BTC going through 49,000. So hopefully it will touch here in this month again 66,000, 67,000 around this time, because you can see this is the resistance level here. This one I have done in 24th August. This 65,000 and around 66,000 here in this last month also. So this is so we can find this place as a resistance place, and this is the, you see here very nicely, this place is the support level here. So from this place here to here, we change the BTC got reverse trend from this place, the previous month also. Mean 53,000 is the resistance level from here. So guys, please like this video and subscribe our channel. We are going to upload continuously videos about cryptocurrency, BTC and other meme coin also. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Have a bullish day. Thank you. Bye bye.